Welcome to the show. My name is Joseph Earl McPeek, Esquire III, and you have made it to the Answer Zone. Make yourself at home, be comfortable as I turn off. Well, I don't have to turn off the fan. I don't have to turn off the fan, guys. Do I? No. Okay. So, what are we doing today, guys? Well, we're going to do something very important, and that's to fix the world, fix physics, fix Einstein, fix outer space, fix computers, fix robots. I've figured it all out one day, and it's real. It's real. It's real as Fred Durst. Okay. Where should we start? Okay, let's turn this down just a little bit. But no, that fan is really, really bad. Just a minute, please. Stop looking at my butt, one gun. Okay. Yeah, no, there was this troll. Never mind. Anyways, we're on to big things here, folks. For real. We have to fix the world. How did I figure it out? Well, the first thing I figured out is that light don't move. Simply. Look. Look. When I move my chair like this, watch. Isn't that pretty? Here, let me make it a little bigger. Thank you, Jesus, for the world you placed us in. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, guys, light can't move. It is conical. Each point in the photon field is conical, yeah. When it lights, but when it doesn't light, there's nothing there that you can see. Okay, am I coming across? Okay, I know exactly how Einstein cooked himself with his own theory. Okay? Light doesn't go that fast. No. No, light doesn't go anywhere. How do I know? Just look. The photon field only interacts with matter. That means it's either calculating or it's not. See? And light does not have any amplitude. Light does not have any inertia. How do I know that? Well, that brings me right back to the point of that there's no gravity. We're going to start with this very important experiment that Einstein already did in his head. It's called the elevator experiment, man. Right? Just look at Einstein's elevator experiment and then go to yourself, why do we have gravity? No, there is no gravity. It's just inertia. Let's say you're in outer space or a vacuum. They're both the same. And you throw a rock. Right? What happens to that rock? Well, it goes, and it goes, and it goes. And the reason it goes and goes and goes is because there's nothing to stop it. There's no wind. There's no opposing force. And that's called inertia. So you know what that means? That means that the universe might as well, the rock might as well be sitting still, and the universe might as well be going by it. That's inertia. Okay, now imagine the rock. Now imagine the motion of the universe. Pretty simple. And he even said himself, if there's no way to tell if you're in a elevator if it's acceleration or gravity. There is acceleration, that's called inertia, but gravity is nothing. That's just something Newton made up in his head to say, I don't know what inertia is, let's call it gravity. So right there, folks, that's the number one experiment that both proves that I'm right and Einstein is wrong. Let's say you're in outer space and you throw a rock. That rock's gonna go pretty far. Okay, it's not gonna go forever, because when it runs out of inertia, it's gonna come to a rest. But imagine if the earth had a hole in it and it's drilled to the center of the earth, and you throw that rock, and as the rock slows down, does it speed up towards earth? No. No, it goes straight through the earth and stops in the center where the earth is. And you're probably like, well, Joe, what about when spaceships fall? Yeah, it's trying to get to that center of inertia. Because you came in on an angle. You didn't go for the straight center. You came in on an angle, so you're going to suffer. But if the Earth had a big hole in it, the space shuttle could just go and stop like a rock. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this 8-minute science quest. We have lots of those. But just remember, there is no gravity, only inertia. And planets spin on their axes tilted for a reason. We'll get into more of that next time. Remember that light don't move. And we'll get into more of that next time too. I'm your host, Joseph Earl McPeek, Esquire III. And you can check me out on SoundCloud too for these awesome beats that I made. To the furtherance. To the furtherance. Yo, there ain't no light speed. There ain't no light speed. There's just lots of weed. There's just lots of weed. To the furtherance. To the furtherance. I love it. Yay! Thanks, guys. We'll see you real soon.